Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to use iPhone to scan documents to PDF. Here are the steps to scan documents to PDF on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Notes app. Tap the Compose icon, square with pencil to create a new note. Tap the blank space to open the keyboard. Tap on the paperclip icon. Choose Scan Documents from the menu. Position your iPhone over the document you want to scan. It will automatically detect edges. If automatic capture is enabled, your iPhone will scan the document automatically. If you prefer manual capture, tap the shutter button to scan the page. Adjust the corners of the scan if needed by dragging the edges. Tap Keep Scan to save that page. Repeat steps 5 to 9 for additional pages and the same document. Once all pages are scanned, tap Save. The scanned document will appear in your notes as a PDF preview. Tap the document, then tap the share icon to export it. Choose Save to Files, Mail, or AirDrop to save or share the PDF, etc. Tip: you can also scan documents using the Files app or third-party apps like Adobe Scan or Cam Scanner for more advanced features. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.